Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. We are going to be trying on the Lilly Lashes Lite Collection, well, at least the ones that are available at Sephora, and let me just show them to you. So we have Diamonds, Goddess, Luxe, Tease, and Miami Light. So let me just get straight into applying them. I will be using the Lilly Lashes lash adhesive and the Velour Lashes, what is this even called? Eyelash applicator thing. And I am going to start with Diamonds. And what you always want to do when it's your first time applying a pair of lashes is measuring it to your actual eye. So I just removed this straight out of the packaging, and I'm just going to place it on my eye just to see if I do have to trim anything. So looking at it, I will have to trim off about this much because then it is going to start like poking me right there. You're going to grab your lash, and from the end, not the front of the lash, just going to trim a little bit. I trimmed about this much off of the end. Hopefully you guys could see that. And just to be safe, I am going to remeasure it to my eye. And I believe that should be good. Now I'm going to just take my adhesive and apply it on the lash. Wait about 30 seconds for the glue to get tacky. As you can see right now it is wet, so it's like a blue color. And once it dries, it will dry clear. And let's apply. And here we have Diamonds. Next we have Goddess. So here is Goddess. And don't mind that gap, guys, like I cannot get them like perfectly on my lash line, and if you do put on eyeliner, you will be able to cover that gap. I did not put on eyeliner since I'm going to be just taking on and off lashes, and my liner is just going to come off. So next we have Luxe. Here are Luxe. Next we have Tease. And here is Tease. And so far these are like my least favorite. I mean, these are probably the most natural looking ones so far because they look like you got eyelash extensions and they're falling off and you only have like 3 left. And last but not least, we have Miami Light. And these are Miami Light. I do want to say that these are probably my favorite ones. They do look pretty much identical to the regular Miamis. They're just less, they have less volume, I guess. So yeah, let me just show you the other lashes again. So Diamonds, Luxe, Goddess, Tease, and the Miami Lights, which are the ones I have on. And I would like to say that they were all pretty, I want to say they were pretty simple to put on, pretty easy to put on. It wasn't like bad. They weren't difficult. The bands are very, I guess, flexible, so you are able to mold it nicely to your eye shape. I do want to say that these actually were probably the easiest to put on though, since it already has the round shape and I have pretty round eyes. I know this video was pretty short, sweet, and I hope you guys liked it. So if you would like to see more videos like this, please like the video, share it, comment something nice down below. And if you would like to support me, please subscribe to my channel. I do post every Monday at 6:30 p.m. And thank you guys so much for watching. Toodles!